as we prepare to enter a time of an inner silence together, I'd like you to breathe in, breathe out, settle into your seat, let any tension leave your body. And I'd like you to imagine maybe your most comfortable pair of jeans, or maybe your favorite pair of pajamas. Do you have something that makes you feel so very comfortable? Maybe a favorite blanket? Sometimes as we head into autumn, one of the things I like to do is have a nice cup of tea, sit in my favorite pajamas, on my back porch, watch the leaves fall. I find comfort in that. It's like a blanket. We know that love is that way for us too. And as we center into our hearts, that place where the divine love, divine comfort resides in us, can you breathe that in? Divine peace, divine love, divine comfort. No matter what is going on externally, divine peace, divine love, divine comfort. And what is so amazing is that comfort in you, that love that resides in you, can come out and give that comfort to another. And so I'd like you to imagine that in you, that beautiful representation of love and peace and comfort extends out from your heart. It extends outward and wraps around another, the one beside you, the one in front of you, the one behind you, the one in your memory. Let that comfort in you expand, 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 until it is all love. And as we sit together for a moment in that inner silence, let that expansion continue and continue. And as we breathe in and we fill up with that divine comfort, and as we breathe out, that comfort expands and touches and blesses us all. So it is.